Hey, this is Anil with a video tutorial for the Learning Lad on C programming. In this video tutorial, we're gonna see the fprintf function in C. So this fprintf function is used to write to the file in some formatted way, as we were using our printf statement to print to the display device in some formatted way. Similarly, if you want to write to the file in some formatted way, then you can use this fprintf. Another use of this fprintf is if you want to write some numbers to your file, then you can usually format that, and you can write that using this fprintf function. So first, let's see the syntax of this fprintf function. It's going to be the function name fprintf. Then we have to pass the file pointer first. That's the file pointer here. That will contain the address returned by this fopen function. So next we have to format our output or format our things by using the format specifiers. Then we have to supply the list of variables that are referenced here. So these two things are similar to the printf statement, and the only difference is we are using this file pointer at the beginning. So here, so now we're gonna go and write the code. If you don't know what I have written here, please go and watch my other video tutorial about how to open a file. So first we have a file pointer pf, then we open our file called anil.txt in writing mode. That's because we want to write something to the file. Then we checked whether our file was opened successfully or not by this fopen function. So then if that file was unable to open, then we had said okay, unable to open the file. Then so if our file was opened successfully, then now we're gonna continue here. So first we want to write something to the file using this fprintf function. It's gonna be fprintf. Then we have to pass the file pointer. It's gonna be pf. Then we have to specify the format specifier, or we have to format our output. Let's say I want to write my name, then a tab, then my age. So that's why I'm going to use %s for my name. Then to add a tab, we're going to use this escape sequence /t. Then I want to write my age. That's going to be %d. So here we have to pass the references for this %s and %d. So for that purpose, we're going to create two variables here. One is a character array. Let's call it as name, that to store our name. Let's make it size 25, and another is a variable called age. It's going to be of type integer. So now we're going to ask the user to enter his name and age. So I'm going to use a printf statement here. Enter your name and age. Add a new line. Then we're going to use our scanf function to receive the input. It's going to be scanf. Then it's going to be %s %d comma name comma ampersand age. So now whatever the name user enters, that is stored in this name character array, and the age is saved in this variable age. So now here using this fprintf function, we are writing the values entered by the user to the file. So it's going to be %s, that's for the name. So I'm going to refer this name here. Then this %d, which is for the age. So I'm going to type age here. So after that, this printf statement, we just want to print, okay, data has successfully written. It's going to be printf data written successfully. So the last thing we have to do is we need to close this file. It's going to be fclose. Then we have to pass the file pointer pf. So save it, compile it and run it. Enter your name and age. I'm going to write Anil and a tab or a space. This time I'm adding a tab. Then my age is going to be 23. I'm going to hit enter. It says data written successfully. So now I'm going to open up my anil.txt. So as you can see here, Anil 23. I'm going to run this program once more. It's going to be Control F10. So enter your name. I'm gonna enter Rashmit, then a space, then his age is 21. Enter. It says data written successfully. I'm gonna close it and open until.txt. So as you can see here, it has Rashmit and 21. So make a note that when we enter new data here, it's gonna remove the previous data. That's because we are opening the file in write mode. So if you want to append to this file, then you have to use this mode as A, then save, compile and run it. So it asks enter your name and age. I'm gonna enter Anil, then let's say 23. Hit enter. It says data written successfully. Open that until.txt. So as you can see here, two values are there. That's because that data we entered just now is just appended with the previous data of this file. So if you want, you can add another value. Say my name is Nikhil and my age is around 15. Data written successfully. Close it and open this until.txt. So as you can see here, we can continue to add the data to this file. So this is it. This is about the fprintf function in C. So thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.